Alright, finish installing fan. Off. Get down. Already turned off the power. This is an old unit, and the new units won't line up with the electrical plug here, nor with this mounting bracket. So gotta swap out the wiring and the bracket in order to make the new unit work. New unit, a new wiring harness. Oops, not the wire nut. Set this stuff up here. Take this down. I just need to loosen the screws on either side. Back them out about 1/4 inch or so, and then you can turn this and slide it on down. Oh, I missed. That would have been a 3-point shot. And then I'll connect the wires here. Wire nut. Let's do this. Separate these. Back up in there. Fold it nicely, neatly, like that. Take my new bracket, like this, and find the holes that it will line up with, and then just go about like that. And tighten the screws. Take the shower cap off. This is if you're doing, drywall, paint, cleaning, dust, anything where it's basically a dust cover. Kind of looks like a shower cap, but I'm not doing any of that, so I'm gonna save it for later for another job. So now I plug this in, just like so, and I put it up here and twist till I find it snaps in. Turn until it locks. Pull out tab to activate backup battery. There we go. Red means alarm. Green means have AC power. Test. That one's good.